My father is an ex-steel worker from this region. His dad, too, was also a steel worker from this region. In the early 80s, my dad lost his job in the mill. He went from making a decent living to minimum wage, which at the time was like $3.25 an hour. That's a huge difference compared to what he had been making. He even went about like cutting people's grass on the side, whoever, just to make some extra money. He would do whatever he could to, put food on the table. I know what matters to people that come from that kind of a family, people that work for their living. It's always interested me, and I always wanted to get into politics someday. So I started to just ask around to local people, and I was able to meet a guy who was involved in local politics in the area. And I started to talk to him, over a beer one night about politics in the area and how I could get involved. And we had a really nice conversation and enjoyed talking to each other. But in the end, he ended up telling me that it's a boys' club and there's no way you're getting in. That defeat that I felt when people were telling me no, now seeing Barack Obama actually making a difference by just saying what he believes and speaking truthfully makes me feel like I can do the same things. That's all I've ever wanted to do too, is just speak truthfully about what it is that matters to me, to my family, to other families like my family, which is the majority of this country, really. The people I talk to and the friends that I have are from all different backgrounds, all different races, and I really felt like he is in touch with, he's a little bit of every single person, and he represents what matters to everybody as a whole.